Hello guys, what is up? It's been a while. I thought I'd start this video off with this Cleanmaxx steamer here. So there is a shop in Switzerland that we go to quite often. It's called Conrad, and they sell obviously their own products, but they have a section where they have returned products that you can buy back from them, and it's pretty good for the old electrician that likes to just fix things. So we go there quite often, and I realized actually I could have done quite a few videos about fixing these things. So I thought I'd start by using this one as a prime example. So here we are. So yes, this is a Cleanmaxx, just show the box here, a Cleanmaxx steamer. As you can see in the picture there, the woman is steaming her clothes. It was 10 francs, so relatively cheap, and it should have been I guess around the 30-40 franc region, but I can't tell because they've put the sticker over the previous sticker before it. And sometimes they give you additional information as to what's wrong with it, and I don't know if you can see that, but it says "kommt nicht," which means it's not, basically the steam's not coming out as it should. So I guess this probably would be an easy fix, and I'll just show you exactly what happens. Hold on. I hope I could do this without making a mess. So the water goes in here at the bottom, like so. Don't overfill it, because otherwise. And you just press the trigger, but as you can see, there's nothing coming out of it. And it sounds to me like it's either blocked, or the pump's not working correctly, or there's just something wrong. But the whole head, the top of this here, is really hot now. Oh, it works! You gotta be kidding me. It works. Are you kidding me? Alright, so it turns out it's actually working. You've got to be joking. You know what? I think, right, these people are just bringing it back because they don't want to use it anymore, and they know that they can get their money back for it. But before we tried this and it didn't work. You know what? I don't think we actually need to do anything with this one. What does it come with in the box? Some adapters. A bag, so you can put it in a bag. Ah, and it's got some adapters and an instruction manual. Oh, and it came with the thing. I didn't look in the box very much. Okay, so instruction manual, starting on page 12 in English. Everything else is in German. Intended use. This device smooths fabrics using steam. In addition, it is suitable for removing fluff and unpleasant odors from clothing, upholstery, cushions, curtains, etc. This device is not suitable for removing marks or stains. It is for private domestic use only and not intended for commercial applications. Yeah, okay. Alright. So actually this came with everything. You know, normally when we go to Conrad and buy something, it doesn't come with half of the stuff that it's supposed to have. But there you go. So it came with everything. It came with the manual, this adapter thing. Not sure exactly how that works. I haven't really even tried, I've never seen it. What do you reckon this is? No idea. And I guess these just slot onto the top, or this way, like so. And then you've got your steaming brush. It's actually really hot. Ouch. Cool. I'm glad it works. That means we don't have to take it apart then, I guess. And when you're finished, you can just stick it in a bag. Cool. All right. Well, that's the end of this video. Enjoy.